Welcome to Mighty Machine, where the world's most powerful machines come alive. Mining giants, extreme transporters, unstoppable engineering. These aren't vehicles, they're monsters built to move the earth. Let's begin. At first glance, the FAERWM wheel saws look compact, but don't let that fool you. These cutting systems transform skid steers into surgical demolition tools capable of slicing through asphalt, concrete, and rock with terrifying precision. The rotating wheel spins with relentless force, carving trenches that would take hours by hand in a matter of minutes. What makes these machines special is their control. Clean cuts, exact depth, and minimal disruption to surrounding material. From urban road repairs to utility installations, these wheel saws turn chaos into clean lines. This isn't raw destruction, it's disciplined power. Designed for contractors who value speed and accuracy, FAE wheel saws prove that sometimes the most dangerous machines are the ones that fit right in front of you. Most machines fear water. The Burky Poseidon 770 is built to conquer it. This aquatic powerhouse is designed to cut, collect, and remove vegetation from rivers, canals, lakes, and reservoirs. With its submerged cutting system and massive collection capacity, it clears waterways that would otherwise become unusable. The Poseidon doesn't just clean, it restores ecosystems and prevents flooding by maintaining proper water flow. Its stability on water, combined with industrial-grade cutting tools, makes it one of the most effective aquatic machines ever engineered. Silent, efficient, and deadly to underwater obstruction, the Poseidon 770 is a specialist, and specialists are never cheap. With prices reaching well into the high six figures, this machine proves that power doesn't always roar. Sometimes it glides. The Wagner L60 log stacker was designed for one purpose: handling timber that would crush ordinary machines. Built to operate in brutal logging environments, it lifts, stacks, and maneuvers massive logs with ease, even on uneven terrain. Its reinforced arms clamp down with absolute authority, while the powerful drivetrain keeps the machine moving where others would stall. This log stacker doesn't rush. It dominates. Every movement is deliberate, every load controlled, turning chaotic log yards into organized production zones. Machines like the L60 aren't about speed. They're about surviving decades of punishment. Heavy-duty equipment of this class commands premium pricing, often reaching well into seven figures, because failure in these environments is simply not an option. Stone doesn't scare the Hualong 2 QYK2, it obeys it. This machine is designed to slice massive blocks of granite and marble with calm, methodical precision, turning raw mountains into perfectly shaped slabs. Twin blades bite into solid rock while the frame absorbs punishment that would destroy ordinary cutters. Every pass is slow, deliberate, and unstoppable, creating cuts so clean they look unreal. In quarries where mistakes cost millions, the 2 QYK2 delivers consistency day after day. This isn't fast work, it's permanent work. Built for industrial-scale stone production, machines like this operate where human strength is meaningless and only engineering matters. Heavy-duty quarry cutters of this level command seven-figure prices because when your business depends on precision carved from stone, compromise is not an option. The Hitachi ZX375 USLC7 doesn't waste motion. Built with a short tail swing design, this excavator operates confidently in tight spaces where mistakes are expensive and room is limited. But don't confuse compact with weak. Its hydraulic system delivers brutal digging force, tearing through soil and rock with clean efficiency. Every movement feels intentional, every swing controlled. It's a machine designed for operators who value precision as much as power. From urban construction to heavy infrastructure, the ZX375 LC7 proves that dominance doesn't require excess. It requires control. Excavators in this class represent serious investment, often reaching high six figures, because reliability and accuracy at this level are earned, not cheap. The Cometto MTH30 doesn't rely on brute force. It relies on balance. Designed to transport heavy and oversized industrial loads, this modular transporter moves with smooth, calculated motion even under extreme weight. Multi-axle steering systems allow it to glide through tight spaces that seem impossible for something carrying such massive cargo. Every wheel adjusts independently, distributing load evenly and protecting both cargo and ground beneath it. This machine doesn't rush. It navigates. In refineries, power plants, and industrial facilities, the MTH30 becomes the invisible hero behind massive installations. Transport systems at this level are highly specialized, often custom-built, and typically sit firmly in the multi-million-dollar range because mistakes during heavy transport are simply unacceptable. The world of salt harvesting has just leveled up. Meet the Rimpull SH1000 salt harvester, designed in 2018. This beast isn't just a machine, it's a productivity powerhouse. Its standout feature? Dual side conveyors. This means salt haulers can load from either side, giving you ultimate production flexibility with zero downtime. Specifically engineered to feed Dart 5225 bottom dump haulers, it pumps out a massive 1,000 tons per hour. And the best part? Rimpull customizes these harvesters to fit your specific site needs. Efficiency, flexibility, and raw power. That's the Rimpull signature. Witnessing the future of salt harvesting? When the job gets messy, the John Deere 950K waste handler takes command. This isn't just any dozer. It's a purpose-built powerhouse designed to dominate the landfill. Equipped with a rugged PowerTech diesel engine and a seamless hydrostatic transmission, it delivers constant power and infinite speed control. The real game changer is its specialized waste handling package, featuring heavy-duty guarding, debris management systems, and a massive trash rack blade. It's built to move mountains of refuse while protecting the machine's vitals. Tough, smart, and engineered to survive the harshest environments on Earth. That's the 950K advantage. There are machines that dig, and then there is the bucket wheel excavator 6600. This colossal structure doesn't work in cycles, it works continuously. Its massive rotating wheel, lined with giant buckets, chews endlessly through earth, cold and overburdened, removing thousands of tons every single hour. The excavator doesn't pause, doesn't hesitate, and doesn't get tired. Entire landscapes disappear beneath its relentless rotation. This is industrial-scale excavation taken to its extreme, where efficiency means non-stop motion. The bucket wheel excavator is less like a vehicle and more like a moving factory, one that reshapes terrain on a continental scale. Machines of this magnitude are custom-built projects, often costing hundreds of millions of dollars, because when you need to move the earth itself, there is no cheaper solution. The Liebherr LTM 1055-3.3 is proof that weight is not the only measure of strength. This mobile crane is engineered to lift loads that seem impossible for its size, using pure mechanical intelligence rather than brute mass. Every extension of its telescopic boom is calculated, every lift balanced to perfection. Despite its relatively compact footprint, It delivers serious lifting performance on tight job sites where larger cranes simply can't operate. Advanced stabilization systems keep it rock solid even under heavy loads, turning urban construction zones into precision-controlled environments. This crane doesn't shout, it outsmarts gravity. Built for professionals who demand efficiency, safety, and flexibility. The LTM 1055-3.3 stands as a reminder that real power isn't always about size. It's about control, engineering, and absolute trust. Transporting wind turbine blades isn't just difficult, it's borderline insane. That's where the Cometto BladeMax 1000 enters the scene. This specialized transporter is designed to carry turbine blades longer than football fields through tight mountain roads, narrow city streets, and extreme terrain. Its hydraulic lifting system allows the blade to be raised, tilted, and rotated mid-transport, avoiding obstacles that would stop ordinary vehicles instantly. Every movement is calculated, every turn deliberate. This isn't brute force, it's intelligent engineering at its finest. Most machines move material. This one controls it. The Delver Tail Pitch by Moose Industries is built to spread, shape, and distribute bulk material with shocking accuracy. As the trailer moves forward, the tail system pitches and adjusts in real time, laying material evenly across wide surfaces without stopping. No rework, no guesswork, just clean, controlled output. This machine turns hauling into a finishing process, saving hours of labor with every pass. It's not flashy, and it doesn't roar, but on large-scale road and earthwork projects, its impact is massive. Precision like this transforms entire workflows, proving that sometimes the most powerful machines are the ones that make everything else unnecessary. Unlike traditional dump trucks, the Rimpull bottom dump changes how material meets the ground. Instead of tipping backward, it releases its load from beneath, spreading material evenly as it moves forward. This controlled discharge creates uniform layers, ideal for road construction, mining operations, and large-scale earthworks. The result is less rework, faster cycles, and unmatched efficiency, powered by a robust drivetrain designed to handle extreme payloads. This machine thrives where terrain is rough and timelines are tight. The Rimpull bottom dump doesn't waste motion. It turns every load into progress. Heavy haulers of this class are serious investments, commonly reaching seven-figure pricing, because their efficiency directly reshapes entire project timelines. Slag transport is one of the most extreme jobs in heavy industry, and the Kamag slag transporter is built specifically for it. Operating near molten metal and extreme heat, this machine carries glowing, hazardous slag that would destroy ordinary vehicles in minutes. Heat-resistant components, reinforced frames, and specialized tires allow it to move safely through steel plants and foundries where temperatures are unforgiving. Every run is a test of engineering against physics. This isn't about comfort or speed. It's about survival and reliability under conditions most machines will never face. Specialized transporters like this are rare and costly, often exceeding several $1 million, because failure in this environment isn't an option. It's a disaster. There's no drama when this machine works, and that's exactly the point. The KSQJ-1360/1900 quarry cutting machine advances slowly into solid stone, applying relentless pressure until the rock gives in. No explosions, no chaos, just steady force winning every time. Designed for high-efficiency quarry operations, it produces straight, consistent cuts that maximize material recovery and minimize waste. This machine doesn't rush the job. It finishes it properly. In an industry where precision determines profit, quarry cutters like this become the backbone of operations. Built heavy, built rigid, and built to last, machines in this category typically reach seven-figure pricing because precision on this scale has no shortcuts. Perfect roads don't happen by accident, and the Cat 16 GC is the reason why. This motor grader is designed to shape, level, and refine massive surfaces with millimeter-level accuracy. Its long frame, powerful engine, and responsive blade control allow operators to sculpt terrain into smooth, flawless infrastructure. Highways, mining roads, and industrial sites depend on this machine to get things exactly right. The 16GC doesn't just move dirt, it finishes it. Every pass improves stability, safety, and durability for whatever comes next. Built for long shifts and harsh environments, this grader represents serious industrial capability, with pricing often crossing $1 million, because perfection at this scale is never cheap. The Liebherr T264 isn't just a mining truck, it's a moving mountain of steel built to survive the harshest conditions on Earth. Designed to haul over 240 tons in a single load, this mechanical titan works day and night, where failure is not an option. Every turn of its massive wheels compresses the ground beneath it, while its electric drive system delivers relentless torque with surgical precision. Operated by global mining giants like Thies, the T264 is engineered for efficiency, endurance, and absolute dominance in open-pit mines. The Liebherr T264 proves that true power is always worth the price. When a standard loader isn't enough, Caterpillar builds monsters like the Cat 995. This is a machine designed to load two Cat 797 mining trucks at the same time, turning logistics into a perfectly timed ballet of raw force. With an operating weight pushing 500,000 kilograms, the 995 doesn't scoop, it devours. Its bucket alone can lift more material than entire machines from other industries. Precision hydraulics allow it to move with shocking control despite its brutal size. This loader defines efficiency in high production mines, where every second saved means massive profits. The Cat 995 isn't about speed, it's about unstoppable workflow. And machines at this level don't come cheap. Prices often exceed $10 million, depending on configuration. But when production targets are extreme, the Cat 995 becomes the backbone of mining operations worldwide. The Komatsu D155W is not built for comfort. It's built for combat against the Earth itself. Designed for extreme pushing power, this tracked bulldozer dominates construction sites, quarries, and mining zones with relentless force. Its high-torque engine delivers brutal pushing capability, while the reinforced blade tears through rock, soil, and debris like they're nothing. What makes the D155W special is its balance. Massive enough to move mountains, yet controlled enough for precision grading when needed. Operators trust it in environments where reliability is survival. This is a machine that earns its reputation one push at a time. While not flashy, its strength and durability make it a serious investment, often crossing into high six-figure to seven-figure pricing, depending on configuration and attachments. And that's another look at the machines that dominate our world with pure industrial power. From mines to mountains, from steel to stone, nothing stops these giants. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe, and join Mighty Machine for more unstoppable heavy equipment. See you in the next one.